Hey you guys, so I'm just going to start with my Maybelline Pore Eraser Primer, and then I'm just going to smooth that into my skin. Now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Color Corrector in the shade Orange. I'm just going to apply this to any dark spots on my face, and I'm also going to apply this under my eyes to reduce the illusion of bags. Now I'll be using my NARS Soft Matte Foundation, and I'm just going to apply this to my face lightly and then blend it out. To highlight my face, I will be using two different shades of the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'll be using Creamy Beige and Medium Beige. I'm just going to apply this concealer where I want to highlight, so that's below my eyes, my forehead, my chin, and then the bridge of my nose. Now I will be contouring lightly. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast, so I'm just applying a little bit of concealer around my cheekbones and at the top of my forehead. Now I will be blending out my concealer that I applied to highlight. I let the concealer sit a little bit because I find that I get better coverage this way. So I would just be blending this out.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you were broken poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and.
Now I'll be using my Makeup Revolution banana powder to set underneath my eyes and basically anywhere where I highlighted and applied concealer. So with the baking powder, I do not let it sit on my face. I kind of just dab it in to my skin because I found that if I let the powder sit too long, it'll have like a white cast and that's not really cute. So as you can see, I'm just kind of dabbing it and wiping it into where I actually concealed. Now I'll be using my Wet n Wild highlight, and I'm just going to apply this right on my nose, on the tip of my nose instead of on my cheekbones and stuff. Now I'll be using my Wet n Wild blush, and I'm just going to apply this on my cheeks. Now I feel like at this point blush is an essential to finish my face because I just love the look of it. Like, it's so cute. So I'm just going to be applying this, and yeah. To set my face, I'll be using my NYX matte finishing spray, and I'm just going to spray this around my face. Now moving on to my lips, I'm just using this NYX lip liner to line my lips. So with this whole little lip step, half of the clip is gone. So all you'll be seeing is me applying the lip liner. But if you guys would like to see a full lip tutorial of this lip look, then just let me know in the comments because I have no issue doing it for you. But like I said, you guys will only be seeing me applying the lip liner. I'm so sorry. I think I ran out of storage while trying to finish my lip look, so it wasn't even recorded. So yeah. And so this completes the look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup look that can be worn every day. Bye.